Hello class, how are you? Is everything fine? I hope so. We are going to continue knowing a little more about bilingual dictionaries. Oh, by the way, do you have your bilingual dictionary here? No? You are going to need a printed bilingual dictionary very soon. Well, meanwhile, let's watch a video on how to use a bilingual dictionary. Now, focus your attention on how to use a bilingual dictionary. Let's get smart. Okay, here I've got my bilingual dictionary. How to use it? ¿Cómo se usa? Well, I'm going to start by opening it to check which part is from English to Spanish and which one is the other way around. This is the Spanish to English section. And these must be the guide words. Yes, they are. The first entry in the page is desproporción. And the last one is desvanecer. Okay, let's look for the word después. Here it is. The entry for después. What are these numbers here? Oh, I see. This entry has 6 sub-entries or 6 different options for translating después depending on the meaning. Let's see the English to Spanish section. What do we have here? Esta palabra tiene 2 acepciones y 2 traducciones. activar o vigorizar. ¿Y esas letras qué son? Ah, ¿será otro meaning? Recuerdo que el video que nos enseñó el maestro decía algo de la pronunciación. Ah, sí, la phonetic transcription. O sea, ¿cómo se pronuncia? Esa viene en symbols. Now, I know how to use my bilingual dictionary. How to do it well. Step 1. I go to the section I need to use. English to Spanish or Spanish to English. Step 2. I go to the pages of the initial letter of the entry I need to find. Step 3. I read the guide words to know if the entry is between those two words. Step 4. Once I find the entry, I read the different sub-entries if there are. Step 5. I use the translation that best fits what I need. Game over. Para hacerlo bien. Paso 1. Voy a la sección que necesito usar. Inglés a español o español a inglés. Paso 2. Voy a las páginas de la letra inicial de la entrada que quiero encontrar. Paso 3. Leo las palabras guía para saber si la entrada está entre esas dos palabras. Paso 4. Una vez que encuentre la entrada, leo las diferentes acepciones si es que las hay. Paso 5. Uso la traducción que mejor se ajuste a lo que necesito. It's time to do your independent activity. It is going to take around 10 minutes to solve it. Go to your book, open it to page 26, and do the activity. Once you finish, take a picture of it and upload it. Then, solve your exit ticket. Are you ready? Bye bye.